buyers, it's Judy Hayes with RE/MAX Rewards, and this is another video in my series to get you through the home buying process. This video is all about money, honey. I'm going to go through the money that you're going to need to have available in order to purchase your home. Additionally, we will talk about the types of loans that are available to you. So number one, generally speaking, you will need, upon execution of a contract, earnest money. Earnest money is your good faith down payment, and it's generally about 1% of your sales price. So if we are purchasing a $200,000 house, we will need to have earnest money of approximately $2,000. The second check is called an option fee. The option fee buys you the option to terminate your contract within a period of time. It's usually 7 or 10 days, and that's when we have our inspections due. The option check is generally around $100 to $250 depending on the price of your home. So that's 2 checks. Both of those fees will be applied towards your down payment when you close the house. So if you have to have $10,000 down, your option money and your earnest money are applied to your $10,000, not in addition to it. So that's to start off with. Then we'll have our inspections completed. Inspection money is completely out of pocket. So you have a home inspection, depending on the size of the home, $350 to $500. A termite inspection is $85. A pool inspection could be $250 to $300. A septic and a well inspection could also be around $300 each. Every house is different. If you are rural, you will likely want a well and a septic. You don't have to have that when you're in the city if you're not attached to a well and a septic, so they're not relevant. And these are all choices. You don't have to do them, but I'm preparing you for the money that it may take to get them. Okay, loans that are available. We have an FHA loan. FHA loans are 3.5% down. So if you're buying a $100,000 house, the down payment is $3,500. There is a 5% conventional loan. That's 5% down. $100,000 house, $5,000 down payment. We have a 100% USDA financing that is in rural areas. Number one, you have to qualify for it. It's income and dependent driven to determine what your eligibility is. So it is no down payment, but you still have to put your earnest money down. You have to have your option fee, and you have to have all of those home inspections done for your home. So you still have to have that money available even though it's 100% financing. Same thing with my veterans. So if you are a veteran, you obviously have served our country and you are eligible for 100% financing. But I do need you to know that you also have to have your earnest money. I do try to negotiate that a little further down than 1%. It's going to be based on the price of the home that you're purchasing. I cannot guarantee that a seller will accept it, so be prepared for 1%. You will also have to have your option money and your inspection money. On a VA loan, they require the termite, so you must do the termite report on a VA loan. Lenders that we have several preferred lenders that we will talk to you generally about and put you with the one that we feel is best for you. We have bilingual agents, we have agents that deal with lower credit scores, and we have multiple options for you. So give me a call to discuss how to get started. Pre-approval is step number 1. Before we walk out the door and start house hunting, we want to ensure that you're qualified and that you're comfortable with your monthly payment. That way, we only look at houses that are within your budget. We will also ask the lender to do a worksheet. So prior to even putting an offer on a home, I will give them the information about the home, and our lender will tell us what your estimated monthly payment is and what your estimated out-of-pocket is. That way you know the answer to all the very important money questions before we ever put a contract on, because we don't want any surprises. If you have any more questions on lending, feel free to visit my website. We have a tab under buyers that talks about mortgage information, the do's and don'ts. There are a lot of do's and don'ts. Let's actually go over those really quick. Don't change jobs while we're looking for a house. Pay everything timely. Don't get anyone else to run your credit report. Even if you're just looking for a car or looking for furniture, don't let them run your credit report right now. Those are very important. There are more online, so make sure that you got all your financing in order when we're doing that. If you have any more questions, please give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.